So something about reinstalling the doors and taking the doors down, right? So a couple things you want to do is not move these door mount brackets off of the poles. If you do, you want to mark where they were, because it's very hard to get them lined back up. So I would advise you to leave them in their position that they are, because lining them up again would be it's just a nightmare. You're gonna spend a lot of hours to reline those hinges. You're best to leave them and then mount the doors up.